Hi everyone and welcome. So today we will be discussing about how to add Shopify products to Pinterest. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what are we going to do is first of all install an application which is going to be exporting our products to Pinterest. So let's just search in here for Pinterest, right? Since we want to list our products to Pinterest, we have various options. You can see we can install Pinterest right into our Shopify, and incorporating that you can simply direct your products to Pinterest. You have more actions in here. You can export them, and once you have that ready, your Pinterest, you can easily add your products to Pinterest. Make sure to search it on the top bar and you will get it. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.